Hello YouTube, it's Uncle Pen's Garage again, and today I am going to be working on the Triumph, the 2002 Triumph TT600. I got this bike and I'm going to restore it and am trying to get all the gremlins out. Love this bike. It's pretty cool. For me, it's high tech. I'm used to working on older 70s bikes and early 80s bikes. So this one has some of the usual things. Got some of the gremlins that needs to be fixed, whether it's the stator alternator or it has the problems with the rectifier regulator. Things you got to look for is connections and terminals and heat. And when you do some digging, you find things. So a lot of things to check and a lot of things to make sure it works. So today I'm going to check on the stator alternator. And as you can see, this plug is discolored. As you can see, it's had a lot of heat. Most likely it's going to be bad. Somebody put dielectric grease all over them, which is usually a good idea, but it's pretty gooey. So that's what we're going to work on today. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTubers, we're back. So we're going to test the stator wires. As you can see, this one's got a lot of heat on it. Could be the connection. That's always the part that gets heat. But why is it getting heat? You have to see if it's coming from the regulator rectifier, if that's bad. A lot of other things, I guess it could be. But right now, the purpose of this video is to show you how to test it. You have to consult your service manual to see the values, if it is bad or if it's acceptable for use. So what you do is you set your multimeter like so, common, volt, ohms. The first test we're going to do is we're going to try and read the numbers on here. So we're going to set it to 200, and then what you do is you connect the pins. You put your, let's say you put your lead, well, we'll call them 1, 2, 3. Put your lead on 1 and you see 2, and then you read the number. It says 0.7. So then 1 and 3, it says 0.7. 2 and 1, 0.7. 2 and 3, 0.7. So they're common. I mean, they're consistent, that they're the same thing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test with the alarm. I don't hear things great, but I can hear this one because it's quiet. You do the same test. What we're checking for is any wire breaks from the plug and inside the windings inside the stator. So you should be able to hear a tone if we're good. And it says 0.7. 0.7, got the tone. Move the pins around. All the values go to 0.7. So again, it's pretty consistent. Again, you have to determine with your service manual the suitability of it. I'm going to consider, if my stator's bad, I've got to either replace the plug. I may hardwire everything to my regulator rectifier that I tested in another video. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. I'm going to try and keep doing more videos. Thanks.